Okay, let's look at question number 5. A spherical fishbowl of radius 30 cm contains water of refractive index 1.33. A small goldfish is 10 cm from the front wall of the bowl. Okay, let's draw first. We have a spherical fishbowl. So we have spherical fishbowl, something like this, with a radius of 30 centimeter, and then it contains water with value of n 1.33. Value of n 1.33. And then inside the bowl we have a goldfish that is 10 centimeter from the front wall of the bowl. So let's assume this is the front wall, and then kita ada goldfish. So the goldfish is 10 centimeter away. Okay, first question. Where will the goldfish appear to be for an observer at the front wall of the bowl? The effect of the thin glass wall is assumed to be negligible. Okay, so what we want right now, we want to find out where the goldfish appear to be. Maksudnya di sini we want to find the image of the goldfish. Okay, from the perspective of the observer. So we have the observer here, and then dia akan nampak image of the goldfish. So this observer is outside of the bowl, so it will be the air. So n sama dengan 1. And our m is to find the value for v, the image distance. Okay, so right now, the situation here actually is the refraction of light. Okay, dia adalah pembiasan cahaya. Macam mana kita tahu dia adalah pembiasan cahaya? Because we have two different medium. Kita ada water and kita ada air. We have two different medium. So, keluarkan formula untuk pembiasan cahaya, N1 divided by U plus N2 divided by V equal to N2 minus N1 divided by R. Okay, before kita boleh masukkan maklumat dalam formula ni, we need to figure out the sign convention first. Okay, remember before this I explained the sign convention using the jadual here. So we draw and compare. So here kita ada I, and we compare it with the object distance. I adalah incident light, and then we have the refracted ray or reflected, and kita compare V, R and F. Okay, so kita lukis dahulu the incident light and the refracted light. So the incident light will come from the object. Okay, it will always come from the object. So objek kita adalah dekat sini kan? Maksudnya the light will come from here. This is incident light, and then dia akan tembus kat luar sini. Okay, so this is the distance of the object. Sekarang ni kita punya object adalah goldfish. This is value for U. So I dengan U adalah same side, meaning that it will be positive. So U kita adalah positive 10 cm. And then radius is on the opposite side with the refracted ray, meaning that our radius will be negative 30 cm. Lepas tu barulah masukkan di dalam formula di mana N1 kita adalah di mana objek tu berada, which is in the water. So N is 1.33 divided by positive 10. N2 kita adalah air. Is it V? V is what we want. Equal to N2 1 minus 1.33 divided by R, negative 30. So V will be equal to negative 8.2 centimeter. So at 0.2 centimeter, maksudnya the image will appear to be around here lah. Sebab daripada sini ke sini adalah 10 centimeter. Maksudnya maybe around here is the image. Okay, Miss letak dot saja. How do we know it's around here? Sebab kita punya value dekat sini kita dapat negatif. So kalau negatif maksudnya the image will be on the opposite side of the refracted ray. So dekat sini our outgoing light, so dia adalah opposite side. Because untuk kita gunakan jadual ni kan, kita cakap kalau same side dia adalah positif, opposite dia adalah negatif, right? So V dia kena compare dengan refracted, right? So kalau dia same side dia adalah positif, but now kita punya V ni adalah negatif, maksudnya dia opposite side. So the V is here, image of, obviously lah image tu akan nampak dekat dalam ball lah instead of dekat luar kan. Okay, so this will be the answer for question A. Okay, next question B. The fish ball is placed near a window where it will receive the evening sunlight. Is there any risk that the eyes of the goldfish may be damaged because sunlight may focus sharply on them? Okay, so we have the same fish ball placed near a window where it will receive the sunlight. Okay, so lukis dahulu. So we have the fish ball here. It has the same value of radius 30 centimeter, and then it still has the goldfish here, and then it is placed near a window. So let's assume this is the window, and then this window, okay, kita ada sunlight from the window coming to the ball. Okay, so what we want right now, we need to figure out whether the eyes of the goldfish is damaged or not. How do we know if it is damaged or not? Okay, first thing we need to do, we need to figure out which one is our object. Okay, so untuk soalan A tadi, kita punya objek adalah goldfish kan? And then image tu dinampak oleh observer di sini. Okay, sekarang ni goldfish kita akan jadi the observer, sebab goldfish ni yang akan terima cahaya matahari. So dia akan nampak the image of the sunlight right now. So this will be the observer. Our sun will be the object. So objek kita sekarang ni adalah sun. And since sun is so far away, we can say that the distance of the object is at infinity. So sama juga, kita akan ada the incoming light. So incoming light tu daripada sun, daripada objek kita di sini kan, jauh lah sebenarnya. So this is the incoming light, and then this is the reflected light. Okay, so here we can compare that the radius is at the same side as the refracted ray. So radius kita sekarang akan jadi positive 30 cm. And we want to find where is the image of the sun. So gunakan formula yang sama. N1 divided by U plus N2 divided by V equal to N2 minus N1 divided by R. Okay, kita punya N1 sekarang ni adalah di mana objek berada kan, which is at the air. So this is the air. This is the water. So 1 over infinity plus 1.33 divided by V equal to 1.33 minus 1 divided by positive 30. So we will get the value for V is equal to positive 120.90 centimeter. Okay, So 120.90 centimeter is from the spherical surface ni lah. So kita punya surface dekat sini kan. Maksudnya dia akan berada 120 cm. Okay. So kita tahu daripada sini ke sini adalah 60 cm. Sebab radius dia adalah 30 cm kan. Maksudnya kita punya objek, kita punya image, the image of the sun will fall maybe around here. This is the V. At a distance of 120 cm from the spherical surface. Daripada sini ke sini adalah 60 cm because radius 30. So image of the sunlight is dekat belakang ball ni. So kalau dekat belakang ball, maksudnya goldfish ni dia tidak akan nampak lah image sunlight. So apabila dia tidak nampak image sunlight ni, bermaksud it will not cause harm to the eyes of the goldfish. Okay, so kamu bolehlah buat ayat kamu sendiri. You can say that the goldfish, the eyes of goldfish will not be damaged. Okay, so that's all for question number 5.